Indian and Pakistan. During the early and difficult times of Pakistan emergence, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah undertook a country-wide tour. He aimed at raising people's spirit. Do not be overwhelmed with the enormity of the task, he said in the speech at Lahore. There are many examples in the history of young nations building themselves up by sheer determination and force of character. You are made of sterling material and second to none. Keep up your morale. Do not be afraid of death. We should face it bravely to save the labor, honor of Pakistan and Islam. Do your duty and have faith in Pakistan. It has come to stay. The entire journey of the great leaders' struggle for a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent was based on the pivot of the Muslim unity and the oneness as a nation. He talked about Pakistan in such clear terms that even a common man could understand it. We are a nation, he affirmed 3 years before the birth of Pakistan, with our own distinctive culture and civilization and language and literature and art and architecture. Sense of values and proportion, legal laws and moral codes, customs and calendars, history and tradition, aptitude and ambitions. In short, we have our own distinctive overtook our outlook of life. The ideology of Pakistan was based on the fundamental principles that the Muslims are an independent nation. Any attempt to merge their nation and political identity will be strongly raised. Quaid-e-Azam was a man of strong faith and belief. He firmly believed that the new emerging state of Pakistan, based on the Islamic principles, would reform the society as a whole. In his Eid message, September 1945, Quaid-e-Azam said, Islam is a complete code regulation the whole Muslim society, every department of life, collectively and individually. Today, the Quaid-e-Azam Pakistan is facing numerous challenges. We have forgotten how much struggle the Muslim has had made under the dynamic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We can overcome our present difficulties by following the Quaid's golden motto. Faith, unity, and discipline. We can make our nation strong by remembering this advice to the youth. It is now up to you to work, and we are bound to succeed. Theme. The theme is the nation pride and the rule of heroes and the art of nation building. Our great leader Quaid-e-Azam was profoundly concerned for this nation as well as Pakistan. His goal was not only the achievement of Pakistan but also to stabilize the nation and the state simultaneously. For the accomplishment of this mission, he undertook countrywide towards at the cost of his health. He strived for the unity of the masses and the welfare of Pakistan and its peoples.